I'm going to show you how to take this camera and put it onto the tripod, okay? Grab the handle on top here. This is hard to do with a mic and a camera in your hand at the same time. Basically, there's a red button on the side of the tripod. There's a plate underneath. You line up the plate underneath and you slide it into the grooves. Make sure it's good to go in there, okay? You have to hold down the red button. There's a red button on the side here, okay? That loosens it up. Now, what you got to do, on the other side, there's a little switch here, and what that does is it locks it in, okay? It locks in your tripod. It's good to go. It's locked in, okay? So that's wonderful. It's there, okay? But now there is a little bubble here. There's a little bubble right here, and you're looking down. How do we get the bubble even? Basically, you hold on to the handle here. There's a little thing underneath here, and you just loosen it a little bit, and it'll loosen it up, and then you can get the bubble to go in the middle by doing that. You're not going to be playing up and down and left and right with the legs of the tripod. It's a little thing underneath. That's how you do that.